Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change screen navigations buttons, how you can change it, how you can change it into gestures. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to go to settings option, then go to system, and here it is system navigations. There are two navigations, gestures and three button navigations. Here are three buttons, and in three buttons there are two more settings. Choose layout. You can see this back button, middle button, and this button. You can just left to right, right to left. You can do this also. And if you want gestures, then click on gestures, and you can see the three button is removed. And how you can do this settings. First, if you want to just go back, then you have to just click on simply like right swipe. You can see by this you can go back. And if you want go to the home screen, then you have to just swipe up like this. And if you want like images, then you have to just do this. You can go to any of the app. You can do this settings also. And if you want three button settings, then you have to go settings, system, screen, system navigation, go to three buttons navigations, and you can see the three buttons is appeared. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.